Hi and welcome to a new video. As promised, I'm off to Ikea to see if there's anything there that I would like, anything Christmassy. Let's see what they have. I'm quite keen on getting Glögg, which is mulled wine. So we'll see. Come along. The sun is out, no rain. I've had an absolute hellish morning. Everything went wrong. Everything with my laptop went wrong, and basically I'm doing two companies on that laptop, and it's absolutely awful, but I have a workaround for now, but we'll see how long that will last. Anyway, I need to get out, I need to listen to an uplifting podcast and get some stuff done basically. See you soon. Love this little car. So cute. Yes, I'm going to a quite small Ikea in Hammersmith, which I can walk to. Takes me about 15-20 minutes. So they don't have everything there, obviously, but let's see. I also have to pick out a really big box because somebody ordered a lot of shampoo bars, and I don't have that big box, so I need to pick that up as well. Oh, so happy when a big order comes in. I'm happy when any order comes in, but a big order like that is like, wow. This is Ikea in Hammersmith. It's a city Ikea, so it's quite limited in the selection they have. Let's go in. I love how they decorate the showrooms. It really feels like somebody lives there. I like to add sheepskins over chairs in the autumn. I think that's really cozy. And these ones are faux sheepskins. So let's see what they got in for Christmas. I'm really impressed with the different wrapping papers, little boxes, present bags, ribbons, strings. They have a really good selection. These are for bottles. I love that you can reuse them and it looks nice. Faux flowers, not really my thing, but they look quite cute. I thought the price was a bit steep, no? And Christmas ornaments. They had a good selection. These are made of glass. And I love these small ones because if you have like a flower arrangement and you want to make it a bit Christmassy, you just put them in. Now I love these candles. These ones smell of cranberry sauce, and my favorite smells of gingerbread. $2.50, not bad. Santa Men, Scandi Santa Men. And if you want to make your own advent calendar, you just fill those little houses up and you can reuse it the following year. I would have bought this if I had small children. It was really well made and really cute. And also I love these stockings. I thought they were cute. And the stars. They go up in December and down in January. I like this Santa sack. In Sweden, Santa do visit your home, so they need a sack full of presents. I thought that one was really nice. So the stars again. Yeah, I really like these. This is how they come, flat packed, and you need to put them together, but it's not hard. Paper napkins. And gingerbreads. Different type of candles. very hard to open with one hand. And gingerbread houses to put together yourself. Also comes flat packed. I like these 3 little houses. I might go back for those. Dumle with gingerbread flavored. And gifflar gingerbread flavored. Now this is why I came here, Glögg, but huge disappointment. That's not real Glögg. I also like this little apron for kids. I thought that was really cute. Oh, he looks quite sad. He needs to go now. It's time for Christmas for sure. Let's move all of these and bring on Christmas. I know it's only November, but let's do it. So I only got 2 things from Ikea. One was this package of napkin in a Christmas motif, a Swedish Christmas motif, I should say. It's julbocken, the Christmas goat. He used to be the guy who delivered presents before we had Santa. So it's quite prominent in Swedish society, julbocken. I decorate with 2 fairly big julbocken, so he's important. The kids were super scared of julbocken when they were young. I mean, really scared. So, and the other thing I bought was these scented candles. It smells really sweet, and normally I don't go for that sort of thing, but this is it smells of gingerbread. So nice. So gingerbread little scented candles. They smell amazing, so I'm going to try those. Yes, so let's move into Christmas now. A little bit early perhaps, but I was thinking if I do this in November, then you will see the sort of recipes and, you know, the decorations or whatever in what it looks like in London, because it's quite spectacular at Christmas. Now, and then if you were to want to make any of these recipes or you want to come to London, then you know where to go or where to see these amazing Christmas decorations. So the first thing I'm going to do today, or I'm only doing one thing today, is actually mulled wine, or as we call it in Sweden, glögg. And this is a homemade one I do every year. My dad used to do it every year, and so I'm taking on that tradition. So mulled wine, this is a pre-made mulled wine from Marks and Spencer, I think, or is it? No, Waitrose. And that's fine. We have that sometimes. But it's much nicer to do it yourself because these things, they contain preservatives, extra preservatives. And I think it's nicer to know exactly what you are putting into your mulled wine or glögg. So I bought just an ordinary bottle of red wine, and I'm going to make the mix, the sort of Christmassy mix in vodka. And that's how we used to do it in the olden days in Sweden. Mix it with vodka, all the spices, let that sit and marinate for 24 hours, 12 to 24 hours, and then use it. And you can either just blend all of the vodka mix with red wine at the end, or sometimes I just measure up a little bit of red wine in the pan and then a little bit of the mix. And it feels so much nicer. There's less preservatives. I mean, for example, if you were to be sensitive to sulfites, then if you did it with a wine that doesn't contain sulfites, you use Raisions that doesn't contain sulfites, you'll get a much cleaner mulled wine. Because sometimes when I drink the pre-made one, I do get a little bit of a headache sometimes. So yeah, and I love to do it myself. It's so easy. So for this you need a bottle of red wine, about 100 ml of vodka, that's about half a cup, 1 cup of sugar, 10 cardamom seeds, 1 cinnamon stick, 20 cloves, fresh ginger, and zest from 1 orange, and either a vanilla pod or some vanilla powder. I love my Scandi vanilla powder here. And then also almonds and raisins to serve. So first we need to marinate all the beautiful spices. So take a little glass jar like that and add 10 centiliters of vodka. That is 100 ml. Then you take about 10-12 cardamom seeds and relieve them of their pods in a pestle and mortar. Always better to do this than to buy them when they're already been squeezed out. Then put that in, remove all the pods, and then add that to the vodka. Then add 20 cloves. Add a piece of fresh ginger, and we're going to grate this orange. It smells so lovely, smells of Christmas. Add the grated oranges in here. Then vanilla. I use this quite potent vanilla powder, but you could also use 1 vanilla pod if you want to, and a cinnamon stick. Mix it up and put it in there. Put the lid on and let this marinate for at least 12 hours. I forgot to tell you that if you get invited to a glögg party, a mulled wine party when you're in Sweden, do go. It's like a cocktail party, but there's only one drink, it's glögg, and it's quite short and sweet, and you basically go there, you get a little glögg, a saffron bun and a pepparkaka, you socialize, it's normally in the afternoon, and then you go home. It's really nice. I love those parties that are short and sweet and just happy. They normally happen from the 1st of Advent until Christmas, so they can happen at any time, and do go. They're super lovely. So we celebrate Advent, the 1st, the 2nd, the 3rd and the 4th of Advent, and it sounds very religious, but it's not at all. People who celebrate Advent and light a candle, they're not religious at all. So it looks religious, but it's not really. Now add 1 bottle of red wine into a saucepan. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And then add 1 cup of brown or white sugar. Carefully heat it up. And when the sugar is dissolved, take a sieve and just sieve out all the beautiful spices. Oh, smell is gorgeous. And then carefully warm this up. And then it's ready to serve. I'm lighting one of these gingerbread candles. Oh yes, nice, because I don't have any gingerbread. So now I'm going to serve the glögg, the mulled wine. So we use these really small cups. So mulled wine in the UK is served in bigger glasses, but I'm guessing it is because in Sweden it's so damn cold that at least you will have this warm, and then the glögg will still be on the stove to be warm for your next batch, but I'm guessing that's why. But we have it in these really small cups. And what's also different is we use a little bit of raisins in there and a little bit of blanched almonds. And then whisk it about a bit. And then, yes, you eat it with a spoon or drink it. It's so much nicer than a pre-made one. I guess also because what's really coming through is the fresh orange, so it tastes so nice. Cheers. Oh yeah, a little bit stronger than ordinary mulled wine, I suppose, but yeah, so worth it. Happy Christmas. Oh no, that's too early to say, but yeah. How to blanch almonds. Boil up some water, put in all the almonds, count to 60, sieve out the water, and now you need to work quickly. And hopefully, oops, I can't do this with one hand. And now work quickly, because you don't want them to, oops. Oh my god, they're squirting everywhere. So basically, like so, do it in, done, done. Yeah, you have to work quite quickly, and I find they are less dry if you do it yourself, but of course, in the UK we get blanched almonds everywhere, but today I couldn't actually find any supermarket, so I have to do it myself, and it does taste nicer. Oops. So here are our blanched almonds, pretty nice, and then we need another little plate raisins. Oh yeah, so fresh and lovely. Especially with the orange, it tastes beyond. A little bit stronger, obviously, yeah. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe and share if you want to. And I will see you next week for another one. Take care now. Have a fabulous week. See you later.